Joe ebusia ya sign ababiem aha fabulous zone midin say munim no King Kobe King to the Kobe aha it's not a fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The latest news in town aha because social media stories are making headlines for most of the platforms no and no na yakeka boom na ya so they are relevant I who say was a mama so no na ya brem na ya chire mu na mo so monya asem ne nti ase ni yi ahanti na ye hwe stories a ho na stories no so de bebre na abesen ko se de ya de bia e happen no na mo man fan hye so. Yes, and then start here. Some of the players are no more injury. Or waiting me share recovery session. I say some 3 players be him say or more injuries that Ganiu say in the entire boy no to me pick some injury be was chance ye training kaka o share na sisi ano na hon kaka no was chance kaka no ho ye bomb say he will be fit for the Heart of Folk game. And at the time of Augustin Okra ni Andy Kumi or Munina Masha see a recovery session. I know move for hopefully they will all be fit for the El Clasico, Ghana's version of the El Clasico. No, yeah, bomb pies a bedroom on that place in a 100% fit. I'll meet me a see a kind of fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Auntie. And only one story and the second story for the day so about we are hosting Coach Pedro with me losing papa e Portugal na players ni nyina kocheche ne re o hwe video na e play na team say omu nyina ti news no na be ya hosting until obi akọ na akọ console no obi akọ na akọ console no sa obi a players nyina team ko console no Coach Pedro only we boost your phone in our shedding. It's tough, but it's part of life now. Mon shedding macrobia. Coach Pedro will lose ne father. The third news for the day. Story with a big one. Kotoko fans in there for a while. Almost a demonstration. Demonstration against GFA. Kotoko fans ever be demonstration against Ghana Football Association. Problem in United say if you leg ne chance no Kotoko assembia ba o hwe judgments ni ruling na eba na as de bia GF mo ho pre omo no maka Kotoko nsem nsem e be kweti Kotoko no GF de bia opentem ketokreku ne nkofo munya abotre na Kotoko no yenso ye dom te de mo ka no Kotoko ye dom Kotoko fans sia de hwe social media nkofo bia ka mo ho abum say on by demonstration, on by your actually GFE moment say treatment of what Kotoko, they are not okay with it. O show him an Jemfin, Sama Beya, how a more pray on home back and 7 no. Utim say, or more agenda be against Asante Kotoko. Now, a cost watch it. Since we start here, a cost sa or more no more pray title no how to fook. Or more the abape, they sweep it under the carpet, no my dean, because time mediama, or more this some will do call. Disciplinary committee ho asemi da ho saa for month omonka Kotoko de ba no maka no mobu Kotoko for man so kunelu de ba no maka asem no eti say abe too much you see enough is enough, stop the hate hashtag as you say Kotoko fans use social media is stop the hate, enough is enough. Eti o hwe Kotoko official handle social media ka betro say okoto de ne bodwe eni brea ensoja utim say nsem nyina person direct at GF say nyoma na mo ye no ye dey stay focused but oye tire we dey fans na come ho abom say ombe oye tire we demonstration is a peaceful one of course but a demonstration I say ma GF for no say de omo ye no we are not okay with it. Will be our Kotoko ni be so sorry now note no one is supporting what Emmanuel Jemfi did. Jemfi nyoma no ye no bie ni ho ka say ye very bad ho asuchi bi ho dia we deserve dia fine monfa ma no but enye we nko na esi season we mu esi bebre obi obia de ba no mo omambo atwo gu baby obia de ba omo nka ho asem kotoko de kwa buy the ya charge man Jemfi friend for say omeyi am de nti otimi yes action no mo punish man Jemfi de mo punish obia wa ye bibia ne friend say mo ya selective justice very bad GFA very very bad mu gu mu ho ani wa say GFA enti mo nya mo nyoma ye mo nka mo nyoma bu na mo nya nyoma ye you should be up and doing, you understand? If obi boni a obi obesa boni bibia ye punish no man punish bi dia ni kwa say mo punish bi nso nti de ho no the same man Jemfi we buy na ema NCC NCC of Asante Kotoko mo bu fui o ma twa ko ma GFA show the displeasure what the judgment am dey about you man Jemfi de no say o ma charge no so o mra mbe yi ne ho ano no o mo ko NCC official Facebook page NCC listed some videos be about 7 videos and you know some of the say similar to the man Jemfi no how come say all these players some years I we nyina no obia ho ankere no Iman Jemfi nko ade mo se mo nte ase enti ko NCC Kotoko NCC official Facebook page both they've listed some videos, they've shown some videos video no to say ampa ade na we dey anya ne hwe we dey anya ne hwe Kotoko dey say be yo bibi ade ntina no ekoba ne sa den is it because Asante Kotoko ntia na ye were a classic kubo in about 10 days time moti ha eba ye best player of the season, one of the best players of the season no mo person mo ya na mo de ban eto no so ka say untimi mbo game ni bi na mo yi ni film and one tactics no yes you hunda dada enti wo bia wo ya available bia fa ho share demonstration we need to save Asante Kotoko because the GFA no abetna no it's a hard to folk administration Ketokweku is a hard to folk man nkofo you know hard to folk people and mo force so bring Kotoko down on person the 12-year trophy drought na 12 years on ntimi nje hwe no on person chinchina on break side no na mo de by force edge leg no enti no ma sha say tactics we by yehumu nyina bia mu nyina yehumu na mo de Musa Kotoko mo de Musa Ghana football enti mu hwe ye o de mo ye no ho ye fa mu nsia say enti videos no apeso hu bia no ko ye enti na enti ko ni nyina ko NCC official Facebook page na ko hwe videos nyina egu o be hu ni nyina about 7 videos enti these are the stories making headlines no enti ye fa mu nsia say na me admo chamba santi yenka Fabulous Zone Mr. Oye fofo na wosha na wa subscribe ya mame for Porcupines by Porcupines.